Let's talk tiny homes. You know, the kind of houses that make you think, how can a tiny house be so grand? I thought I had it all figured out. I once tried to upgrade by living in a buddy's backyard shed. He swore it had a hot tub and a skylight. Turns out, the hot tub was a kiddie pool, and the skylight was just a broken roof tile. Classic. But then I stepped into the Halcyon Grand by Fritz Tiny Homes. And let me tell you, it made my shed experience feel like a cardboard box with a light bulb. This tiny house is huge, 400 square feet, 37 meters squared of luxury on wheels. The Halcyon Grand measures 44.5 feet, 13.5 meters long, and 10.5 feet, 3.2 meters wide, packing more punch than a few studio apartments I've seen. With a loft design, this beauty gives you a spacious 350 square foot, 32.5 meters squared main floor, plus a cozy 50 square foot, 4.6 meters squared loft. The best part? It's got 2 bedrooms, one on the main floor with a floor-to-ceiling glass wall for that glamping feel, and the other upstairs with actual stairs. No more ladders like you're trying to climb Mount Everest in your own house. You get a full kitchen, a dining area for 4, and of course, a luxury bathroom that fits both a washer and dryer. Talk about downsizing in style. You'll also find radiant in-floor heat, a mini split AC, and LED lighting to set the mood. And if you're feeling adventurous, there's an option to go off-grid with a solar system. But here's the kicker. This isn't cheap. It starts at $225,000, around 207,000 euros. But if you're looking for luxury on wheels, this is as good as it gets. So folks, if you're tired of living in a glorified shed, take a look at the Halcyon Grand. It's a house that might just make you rethink tiny living.